Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Samsung Wallet. If you've ever wanted to pay with your phone, store your cards digitally, or keep things like tickets and passes all in one place, Samsung Wallet can make that really easy. Today I'll show you how to set it up, how to add your cards, and how to actually use it for payments and everyday tasks. So if you're new to Samsung Wallet or just want to learn how it works, stay with me and let's get started. First, go to your phone's home screen and find the Samsung Wallet application. Tap on the Samsung Wallet icon to open the app. Once the app opens, you will see the main Samsung Wallet dashboard. This is where you can manage different items such as payment cards, transport cards, memberships, digital keys, boarding passes, and more. Next, go to the section called Payment Cards. If you have not added any cards yet, the screen will show that there are no cards available. To add a card, tap the plus icon that allows you to add a new card. From here, you can add different types of cards, such as payment cards or transport cards. After selecting the type of card you want to add, follow the instructions on the screen to enter your card details or scan the card using your phone's camera. Once the card is added, it will appear inside your wallet and will be ready to use for payments. You can also use the wallet for payment of public transports by clicking the icon Transport Card and adding the partner you want right there. You can also use it for memberships by tapping the icon Membership and adding the membership we want, and also go to Partners section and choose from there. We can also buy gift cards from Thrare and store them right there. And also you can add vouchers by tapping the Vouchers icon. We add them in the methods listed, by importing previously added vouchers, by importing from gallery, taking picture, or by entering voucher information. We can use the we are comfortable with. Interesting thing is, we can use our wallet to store login information using Samsung Pass, just by tapping the Samsung Pass icon and giving the information required. We can add our digital key from SmartThings application. We can also add boarding passes by clicking the icon Boarding Passes. We can add it in one of the listed methods: importing from gallery, scanning QR codes or barcodes, importing from PDF, or choose from one of their partners. We can also add event tickets by tapping the event ticket icon. And if you scroll down, you will see promotions icon where we can see promotions. And also tap the card suggestions icon and choose the card we want and apply the card we want. And if you want additional tutorial, you can tap how to use icon and learn from there. You can also customize your Samsung Wallet by tapping the three-dotted icon, then tapping setting. And if you want any notices or update on the Samsung Wallet, tap the icon next to the three-dotted icon. And that's basically how Samsung Wallet works and how you can start using it on your Samsung device. As you can see, the app allows you to store payment cards, memberships, vouchers, and other important items all in one secure place on your phone. Once everything is set up, using it becomes very quick and convenient, whether you're making payments, showing a membership card, or accessing saved information. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to try the steps yourself so you can get familiar with the app and all the features it offers. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.